All right, the question was Norayati's monthly salary is 2,380. She spends 1,690 and saves the remainder every month. How much will she be able to save in 3 months? So, let's underline what we have. Monthly salary, so she gets 2,380 a month, and she spends 1,690, and she saves what's left over, in other words, every month. How much will she be able to save in 3 months? Alright, let's write down what we know. This is how much Norayati gets in 1 month. She gets 2,380. Okay? Now this is how much she spends. Now since 1,690 is smaller than 2,380, the bar I draw here will naturally be shorter. So she spends 1,690. And it says she saves the remainder every month. How much will she be able to save in 3 months? First of all, we need to find out how much she saves in 1 month. Because we know that Norayati, she gets 2,380 in 1 month, and she spends 1,690 in 1 month. We know this one is how much she saves. So the remainder, in other words. And to find out, obviously, we subtract this from this. So to find out how much she saves, 2,380, take away 1,690. Okay? 0 take away 0 is 0. 8 take away 9 we cannot do. 3 take away 6 we cannot do, because the top is smaller than the bottom. So we need to borrow from here. 18 take away 9 is 9. 12 take away 6 is 6. 1 take away 1 is 0. So therefore, in 1 month, comma, Norayati saves 690. Alright, but let's go back to the question. The question is, how much will she be able to save in 3 months? So, let's go down. 1 month. 1 month, Norayati saves 690. Okay, what about 3 months? If you know that in 1 month she saves 390, all we need to do, 690, all we need to do is draw this 3 times. That means each of these bars represents 1 month. And because we know that she saves 690, well, each of them is 690. So you can do this 2 ways. You can add 690 plus 690 plus 690, or because multiplication is because multiplication is repeated addition, we can write 3. So we can write 690 times 3 to find out how much she saves in 3 months. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Okay, so let's go back to the question. How much will she be able to save? Will she be able to save in 3 months? Let's write it here. Therefore, Nora, let's check her spelling. Yati will be able to save $2,070 in 3 months. Okay? Now basically what I did was I found out how much she could save in 1 month. Because if you know how much she can save in 1 month, then it's easy to find out how much she can save in 3 months, right? And if you look at here, this shows us that we need to times. Okay? Because sometimes you might not know that. So I find for these type of questions, especially when you draw like this using the bar modeling strategy, you have a better idea, a better picture of what to do. Okay? So if you're working out what's wrong, what you might want to do is go back, redo the whole question and think about what I said and make it as if you found out the working out for yourself. Okay? And then double check your working out and then double check your answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Alright, the question is, let me just write number 9. It says, a dress costs $126 more than a handbag. Charlene bought a dress and a handbag. If the dress costs $228, how much did she pay for the 2 items? Okay, think about the question because this one's a bit tricky. Okay, good luck with that and always keep practicing your problem solving skills.